Hello, my name is Catalina. I just attended to Jennie Gorman's workshop and it was fantastic. I really loved it. The fact that it doesn't only use your left brain, but also your right brain. The fact that you get to think about how good is to get specific and get to the details of how you want it or when do you want it for. It actually very helpful. And then it uses and combines your right brain by getting pictures and creating a visual board. So it gets you to play like when you were a child, like when you're in preschool and you're cutting and pasting and having fun, and it just helps to bring out the creative, by bringing out the creative yours, all the thoughts of things that you like to do. So it's really good to just get clear on what you think that you didn't know that you wanted to do. So I totally recommend, if you feel like you could use a little bit of help with planifying or just simply think that it's just for fun, just go for it. It's really good.